today's trading idea, we have three. Let's start. The first one will be Gas Malaysia. So one of the reasons why we highlight the stock, because if you notice the stock price movement for the past few weeks, no, month actually, since June, it has been pretty much on the sideways. However, the stock condition potentially ended following the stock has forming some sort of the what we call that higher structure of late. So we see a gap up move on 22nd August. A new baseline was formed right within between 9 and 45-day moving average. We've seen a golden crossover, higher structure, and most importantly, if you look the reading on RSI, it was remain consistently trading above its long-term average line, and now the trend for momentum is pretty much skewed on the upward. So a fresh buy signal generated by DMI as the class DI reading is actually bounced off the ADX line. ADX line now trading about 23 points. I think it's pretty much indicating that we call it the bull has taken the control. So in a nutshell, I do think that the stock has a decent chance to trade higher, with the next technical target is actually paired at 3 ringgit 19 cent. Next target is 3 ringgit 39 cent, while the support the cut loss level is quite minimum at 2 ringgit and 97 cent. Right now, next part will be MBL. So MBL more abundantly, one reason why we highlight because the stock consolidation within the triangle pattern appear has ended. However, yesterday breakout, I would say despite higher trading volume, it was quite briefly break above the so-called pattern neckline. So if there any follow through for today's today's bullish candle or the subsequent candle, or by Friday it closed even higher, that means forming a stronger pattern on the weekly chart. It will be validate the overall uptrend movement. So as for now, we think there's a decent chance for the stock to trade higher, particularly when the breakout not only above the pattern neckline but also above the 88-day moving average. So in terms of the trading volume, momentum, the trend reading is pretty much interesting. And if you look the structure of RSI is also considered bullish after a series of higher structure was formed. So expecting the stock to trade higher with the next technical target is actually paired at 52.5 cent and 58.5 cent, while the stock loss will be below 45 cent. Last but not least will be Pansa. All right, Pansa forming so-called the cup handle pattern, and this cup handle pattern has ended following yesterday breakout above the pattern neckline on the back of higher trading volume. Yep, the trading volume, it was not excessive as previously, but it still nevertheless is slightly higher compared than usual. It was backed by positive reading in what we call that momentum, and we think there's a decent chance for the stock to trade higher. Next target is actually back at 68 cent and 70.5 cent, while the cut loss level will be below 58.5 cent. Do 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 do.